Good afternoon, Ma'am Alvina. Today I'm gonna ask you a few questions about yourself and your organization you're in.
Yes,
Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, um, can you please introduce yourself and describe your role within the organization?
Okay. Um, I'm Audrina Lasbrook, 45 years old. I live in Bilisan, Panglao, Bohol. I worked before at Dadclelan Engineering, Lapu-Lapu City as a secretary. And now, I have managed small business, travel and tours operator.
I see. The following questions is, what are the key responsibilities and challenges of your position?
My key responsibilities and challenges of my positions are to treat all worker at the diesel, docking, and need to repair.
So, thank you. So the third question is, how did you start your career in this field, and what led you to your current role?
I start my career and working hard and ask the Almighty Father.
So, can you share some insight into the skills and qualities required to succeed in your role?
Uh, Work hard and focus to my dream or ambition, goal, so that to have a better future.
Okay. What do you find most rewarding about your job?
My reward most about my job is my success and to build my own house and a small business.
Next is, how do you handle conflicts or challenges within your team or organization?
I handle my time management.
Next, can you share a significant project or accomplishment that you are particularly proud of?
For now, I'm happy for what I am, built my own house and manage travel and tours operator and also a small sari-sari store.
Next, how do you see the future of the industry evolving, and what skills do you believe will be most important for future leaders?
I believe the most important of future leader is a good leader.
Would you give to someone aspiring to a leadership role in this field?
I advise study hard and working hard so that to have a better future.
Lastly, how do you maintain a work-life balance, and what are your hobbies or interests outside of your work?
Happy and love yourself. Give time to relax.
Thank you, Ma'am Alvina, for your time.
Okay.
And that's all.
Okay, you're welcome.
Wow.
Okay, have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay.